Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first video, returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for coming back to another video, guys. First and foremost, guys, I want to say big thank you to all the persons who have been subscribing to my channel, all the new subscribers. Welcome. Really hope that you guys find value here. Share authentic Canadian content from our experiences. Of course, we are no immigration consultant, lawyers, or affiliates, but we do have partners who are immigration consultant, lawyers, and affiliates. All you need to do is to check out the links in the description right down below. Yes, currently en route, or making my way to my car to go and pick up Miss Natasha Anderson, aka Nats. See you guys on the road. It's so good that the days are getting a little bit longer. It's now 15 minutes after 5. A couple weeks ago it would have been dark already. As you can see, the beautiful sunset over there. But we still have a little bit of daylight left, which is good. We'll take this. And as it gets closer to spring, the days will continue to get longer and longer. So that's what I love. Guys. If you're watching this video and you're in Grande Prairie, smash a like on this video, guys. If you guys love the city that you guys live, smash a like. This is one of the main streets, guys, in Grande Prairie. This is actually downtown Grande Prairie. I know, nothing compared to Edmonton and Calgary. I know, but it's what we got. So we have to work with it, right? Everybody's coming from work, so the roads are a little bit busy, but not crazy traffic like what we encountered in Calgary a couple weeks ago. That's one of the beautiful things about living in a small town. You don't have to deal with a bag of traffic, guys, and everything is close by, which is always fantastic. Always fantastic, guys. Like picking up Nats is only like a 7-minute drive or 8-minute drive, depending upon how fast are the stoplights. Cold? It's windy, right?
Cold.
My body fan touching me really. Look who the cat dragged in. You forgot Baba, babes. But I did book the appointment. I booked the appointment and then I didn't remember. Oh my gosh. How was work?
It was good.
It was good?
Today. Huh? It was good.
You got a lot of work done?
Yeah, got a lot of work done.
At least one of us did something today.
Got to go to a speech pathologist.
You got you to one?
Yeah.
What am I say?
I should wait until I sign up for the
disability?
Yeah.
Why?
Because she doesn't want to break. Like if my insurance covers like a portion and it's finished and then break and then start back again, she doesn't want to do that. But
oh, I see. So how would disability help with the rest?
With the rest?
What you said for wait until we sign up for?
FSCD.
Oh, FSCD.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotcha. Guys, what's up? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. Yeah, we haven't checked in a little while. Couple days. When
a
last?
week.
A week? Yeah.
A week.
That's been so busy. I don't know why she's been so busy these days.
I'm a working girl.
Yeah. Working girl.
Yeah.
Employee and entrepreneur. Near. You have to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Near. Exactly.
Been busy.
Been busy.
Yep.
If there is anybody who's watching this video, guys, who's a part of our community and you guys are good in graphic designing or you guys are a graphic designer, please reach out to us. We would love to get something created. Please. Alright. Just shoot us an email. All our links are in the video descriptions right down below. From our Instagram to our Facebook to our email, everything, our TikTok, everything is in the video description right down below. As well, if you want immigration consultant, as I said, it's in the description right down below, guys. You can check out Aspire Canada. You can also check out ONPOINT Law. Those are personal partners of us, and they'll take care of you guys. Run in pan it. What's for dinner? Kinda hungry.
Grace corned beef.
Corned beef?
Or tin mackerel.
No,
That's what I feel.
No, I feel for curry chicken. You don't wanna?
No, I eat curry chicken since week.
Sure.
Want some pepper mackerel.
But you could get some pepper curry chicken.
Fish and chicken, two different tastes. I want the mackerel.
I don't want any rice. I would have any ground provision.
Let's stop at the African store before it closes 6.
I was wondering if the car was invisible. Is it stop at the African store?
Yeah.
So you're going to have money, you know?
Me not have money. I don't have any money. It seems to me have money. I don't have any money.
So you're going to have money?
No, you just need pizza, yam, or banana or something.
It's actually a good idea. We're going to go to the African store, see what we can get. Hello. Okay, we're greeting that. That's a very long hi.
How are you? I'm good. I only watch you on TikTok. On TikTok? On TikTok and YouTube. That's not the way I can watch us.
Yes, guys, we have some yellow yam. We got some green banana and we got some pumpkin and cocoa. That is it. That says catching up with a friend. Yellow yam $5 a pound, guys. Cocoa $5.50 a pound. Dasheen $5 a pound. Where the shops go? Gonna go and get a basket. I'm gonna grab one of them Milo here. $32. Jello, they're rough. Take up the small one, huh? $7.50. And let me see. I'm trying to find cornmeal. I have seasoning already. I've got all of that already. Actually, a good idea. Oh yes, yes. I think I have tried. We can do that. Okay, Grace cornmeal, $7.50. And Goofy, thank you.
I know.
So that's green?
That's not green.
Okay.
How much?
It's up to, I took a pumpkin already.
Alright.
How much banana did I take up?
A little bit. I don't like it ripe. Kind of ripe, you know.
Okay. Yellow yam? Guys, that's some strong food in idea, you know. Okay, we have some Scotch bonnets. Take up some Scotch bonnets. This says patty, but
Yeah, I'm not putting our fridge for an oven.
you have patty that too. Okay. Oh, she's slice up the pumpkin. So it's convenient. Hot okra. Old okra. Guys, this is what we have to be going through. No fresh okra off the tree. Okay, what else do you need?
That's it.
Take up a syrup.
No.
No? Okay. No snacks, no nothing? Okay. No more crying. No more crying now, right? All smiles. All smiles now. You don't want to see that Malia cries a lot sometimes. And her sister is sleeping. That's outside, guys. We're just in the car waiting on Max to come back. She matching up some business and stuff. Yeah, then we're about to just go home, cook some food, and just spend the rest of the night at home. It's now 6:15. As you can see, outside is getting a little bit dark, but still a little bit light out. Not too bad. Okay, so I just want to answer a few questions in regards to the last video that I did as I wrapped up this video, right? So persons have been reaching out to me asking about the requirements for the rural renewal stream. Now each employer is probably allowed to have their own set of entry requirement, pretty much, like in terms of like it's just like applying for a job, right? So each employer can ask for what they want in terms of like qualification, experience and stuff like that. It is open for persons both inside and outside of Canada. If you guys are watching this video and you guys are interested in learning more about the rural renewal stream, there's gonna be a Zoom call tomorrow where immigration consultant is gonna come on and answer any questions you guys have. If you check out the community tab of the Andersons, you guys will see a link to that Zoom call, and that's gonna be on Saturday, February 18, 11 o'clock Albertan time, which is 1 o'clock Albertan time. If you guys are interested, you guys can definitely check out that Zoom link. Alright guys, in addition to that, if you're thinking of studying in Canada, you can also come and be a part of it, and any questions you have, we can try and get it answered as well. Alright guys, is that high? Guys, we are home. It's now 7 o'clock, about to cook some food and just enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Really helps out the channel. Smash a like on the video, guys, and drop a comment. Alright guys, we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Just subscribe, get us over that landmark. And you know what, just continue being a part of the community, and we'll just continue to do what we are doing, which is to share our experience authentically. Alright guys, big up on yourself, and see you guys in the next video.